This is JD from Jadon Consulting, and in this video, we will look at SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is a strategic planning tool used to identify and understand the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats involved in a business venture or a project. The SWOT tool is divided into 4 quadrants, the names for which you might have guessed by now. Let us go through each of these components. Strengths. These are internal factors within an organization that contribute positively to its success. Strengths could include things like strong brand reputation, unique technology or intellectual property, skilled workforce, efficient processes or systems, strong financial position, and market leadership. Weaknesses. These are also internal factors but are areas where the organization may be lacking or vulnerable. Weaknesses could include limited resources or funding, inadequate infrastructure, lack of skilled personnel, poor brand recognition, high debt levels, and inefficient processes. Opportunities. These are external factors in the environment that the organization could exploit to its advantage. Opportunities could include emerging market trends, new technologies, changes in regulations that favor the organization, untapped market segments, strategic partnerships or alliances, growing demand for the organization's products or services. Threats. These are external factors that could potentially harm the organization's performance. Threats could include intense competition, economic downturns, rapidly changing consumer preferences, political or regulatory instability, technological obsolescence, and supply chain disruptions. Remember, strengths and opportunities are good for the team. Opportunities are also known as positive risks. Weakness and threats are bad for the team. Threats are also known as negative risks. It is also worth noting here that strengths and weakness have internal origin from the team, whereas opportunities and threats have external origin. The purpose of conducting a SWOT analysis is to gain insights into the internal and external factors affecting the organization and use these insights to develop strategies that leverage strengths, mitigate weaknesses, capitalize on opportunities, and defend against threats. If you liked our video, please like, share, and subscribe for more such content. If you are interested in our certification prep courses, you can click the link in the description. Thank you.